Setting boundaries with your partner is crucial in navigating issues of infidelity, such as kissing someone else, which is often considered cheating in monogamous relationships. While the definition of cheating varies among couples, sharing a romantic kiss, especially with physical affection or sexual arousal, typically qualifies as betrayal. It's essential to communicate openly about what behaviors each partner considers unacceptable. If you find out your partner has kissed someone else, approach the situation calmly by expressing your feelings using I statements and have an honest conversation about the relationship's state. Discuss their motivations behind the kiss, as this can reveal unmet needs or struggles. Establish clear boundaries going forward. If your partner shows remorse and is willing to regain your trust, the relationship may be salvageable. Remember, sending explicit photos or using dating apps is usually considered cheating, and any deceitful actions warrant serious reflection on the relationship's future.